How to set content preferences on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to set content preferences on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open the TikTok app, go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, and click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Settings and Privacy, and then look for Content Preferences under Content and Activity. So click on Content Preferences, and you may add a language right here. So click on Add Language and choose the language that you want. And let's say, for example, there are unwanted videos or TikToks on your FYP or your For You page. So, for example, you only set English. However, there are videos that are in Spanish, in French, or etc. So, what I would suggest is to go to your FYP and then search for that video. So, for example, let's just assume that I don't want this video or I don't want this type of video. Then click on share found on the lower right corner, right there. So click on share right here and then choose the not interested option right here. So you just simply click on it and videos like this one will be less um, seen on your For You page. You may also like videos that you are interested you are interested in. So for example, I like videos like this one that there are quotes or something like this. What you're going to do is to simply um, add it to your favorites, or you may also like it or go to their profile and then spam likes their video so that similar videos like this one will appear on your For You page. Also, another option I can suggest is to go on the search button right here and make sure to remove this or remove all of your history searches. So click on remove right here and then it will be removed. And then again, if for example you want to have a um, tutorials video, you may search for um, TikTok users that are having tutorials. Or also if you have or if you want the trend dance, so you just go to trend dance and then like as much videos as you want so that again videos like this one may appear on your For You page. So that's it. That's how you can set content preferences on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.